Hello, my dear students. Here I am going to record a video for you which may help you to understand conditional sentences. तो पूरा वीडियो देखिए और जानिए कंडीशनल सेंटेंसेस कैसे होते हैं और कैसे बनाते हैं. ओके तो conditional sentences, most of my students or sometimes students ask me about conditional sentences and they ask me to let them know how to translate such type of sentences as अगर कमरे में शेर आ गया तो सब भाग जाएंगे, और इट इज इन फ्यूचर टेंस. अगर और प्रेजेंट कंडीशनल, अगर शेर आ गया, अगर कमरे में शेर आ जाए या आ जाएगा तो सब भाग जाएंगे. और इट मे बी इन पास्ट, अगर कमरे में शेर आ जाता तो सब भाग जाते. So please try to understand, it's a kind of conditional sentence which can never be true. ये एक ऐसा conditional sentence है जो कभी सच हो ही नहीं सकता कि कमरे में शेर आ जाए और सब भाग जाएंगे. तो it may be in any tense, present, future और past. शेर आ जाता तो भाग जाते, या शेर आ जाए तो भाग जाएंगे, या शेर आ जाएगा तो भाग जाएंगे. But we make such type of sentences in a very simple way. The first part of the sentence is always in past indefinite. Past indefinite में ही बनेगा जो first part है conditional sentence का. किसी भी tense में हो, वो future में, present में, past में, but because this is the conditional sentence which can never be true, जो सच नहीं हो सकता, इसलिए इसको हम past indefinite में ही बनाते हैं. Like if a lion came into this room, if a lion came into this room, all would flee. Flee means भाग जाना. FLEE. So if a lion came into this room, comma, all would flee. तो ये सेंटेंस कंडीशनल इस तरीके से हुआ. वी कैन टेक सम मोर एग्जांपल्स हियर, लाइक अगर आसमान गिर जाए, या आसमान गिर जाता, या अगर गिर जाएगा तो सब मर जाएंगे. दिस इज ऑल्सो a कंडीशनल सेंटेंस which can never be true, जो सच नहीं हो सकता बट बोलते हम. Similarly, past indefinite, if the sky fell down, past indefinite, if the sky fell down all would die. तो जो सेकंड पार्ट है वो आपने देखा सब्जेक्ट वुड प्लस V1 से बनाएंगे. If the sky fell down, comma, all would die. You can make some more like that. अगर मैं राजा होता तो मैं तुम्हारी मदद करता, या अगर मैं राजा बन जाऊंगा तो तुम्हारी मदद करूंगा. If I were a king, I would help you. So you may take more examples here to practice. So this is past conditional sentences, or these are the conditional sentences which may be in any tense, but the pattern to make such type of conditional sentences is same. Past indefinite, subject would be one. I think you might have enjoyed that video. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to watch my new videos every week. And if you want to contact me for any related query, or if you want to have classes, English classes one-to-one with me, you may contact me. I have already given my email ID and Skype ID here in that video and below that video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.